Alright, you guys, it is February 18th. And things have happened. Alright, so first things first, when it comes to Jed, we are back together. We are very irritating. So there's that. So other than that, my window has been fixed. Yes, my window has been fixed. It's now hot in here. I'm not used to it being like actually like sweating in here. I went and shout out to the Tri-State Auto Glass. If you're in like the Memphis area, Arlington, they're great. Good price, non-sponsored. I just really appreciate how fast they did it. I was there in and out in like, I want to say 30 minutes. And I showed up 2 hours before my appointment showed up, and they just gave, they just said, hey, we'll go do it. So, hey, shout out to them. Really love them, really love their business. Also, it was nice. It was a nice little cozy waiting area. They had a bathroom that smelled fantastic for a shop. No hate on them. Then I went to kind of like a richer part of town, and I've noticed one thing since I've been driving around is that those little book houses, well, when you are in a higher income area, there tends to be a lot of books in them, and then you go to a lower income area and there are no books. So I have decided that one of my missions for the time being is going to be, moving some of these books from, the higher income, because they're like full, they're stuffed, and just like moving them from like one way. This one I might actually keep because I like collecting the classics, and I've never read this one, and it's even got notes in it. Shit. But Tradition and Progress, my prescription for balancing business and development priorities. Somebody in the low-income neighborhood is going to kill that. The Spirit That Kills, I don't know. These are great. These are great. But yeah, no government official has reached out to me telling me to stop, so I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna just keep on going until, I hope that they gave Martin Luther King a couple of warning shots before they actually got him. But please, warn me, please. But this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm moving, with my weird creeper van. Not drugs, knowledge. I also got some personal books for me. This one's the one that I'm looking for. It's now a major motion picture film. Where'd You Go, Bernadette? I'm hoping it's pretty good. I've been reading a lot of classics, but like The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, it just kind of gives that vibe. I don't know, I picked it up and I was like, I'm gonna see what it is. I'm gonna see how good it is, and I'll let you guys know how it is later. Other books, I have a lot of books. I guess the topic of today is gonna be books. I'm gonna roll down my window. Also, my window knob fell off, so I do that weird now. Some books that I am currently reading. I'm about halfway, this much of the way through. This one, it's Fairy Tale by Stephen King. Fantastic. When I pick this up, it's really hard for me to put down. It's kind of like a Jack and the Beanstalk kind of retelling, but once again, it's Stephen King. It's fantastic. Oh my gosh. Another book that I have, I've almost finished it, but I keep going back to it and then rereading it. It's going to be The Martian Chronicles. This explores, now this is by Ray Bradbury. It explores both life and death and religion in an astronomical sense, and it's absolutely fantastic. I really recommend checking it out and giving it a good quick read. It's not that big, and it's fascinating enough to where if you are like a big reader like I am, first time I read through this, it only took me about a day. But once again, like I'm reading through it again, fantastic. I love Ray Bradbury. I love this book specifically. Forget the short story with the little vacuum dog. That is good. All right. I also got Milk and Honey. A lot of people have been, now kind of mentioning, because I give out some wisdom every once in a while, and somebody has said like, hey, have you read Milk and Honey yet? And I was like, no, I haven't read Milk and Honey. And they were like, well, that's kind of weird, because you have like this way of speaking that, like the way that you give advice is kind of Milk and Honey-esque. And I was like, oh. So I finally, now not even like a week after they said that to me, I finally get Milk and Honey the book, and I've never picked it up. I've seen it multiple times, but being able to I'm really happy to have this. I'm really excited to be reading this. Some other things that have really helped me in my mental health, the gratitude journal, this one specifically, oh my gosh. Now, look, it's a chunk. It is a chunk, but it's beautiful. It is beautiful. You just gotta, really, it's one time a day. It takes, maybe 30 seconds, maybe 5 minutes if you really want to get deep about it. But one time a day, show your gratitude. It's beautiful. You really do. You put in the effort, and you get the effort back. Also, there's journals. There's so many journals in here. I think I got 6 on this dashboard alone. Journal, read, write, put in the effort. I promise you, it's great. It's great. It's fantastic. I don't know if I've showed you guys. I still got a couple more minutes. I'm going to show you guys a couple of drawings that I've been doing since I got here. We're just doing a little academic tour. I got woo. I typically, my mediums are pen and Sharpie. Oh, this one is one that I did earlier up in Memphis when I first got here. I call it Fence. This is the fence. Yes. Some other art that I've not put out, but really this is the first time that you guys are seeing this. This is Sharpie and pen. Is this not beautiful? And this is going to be the last one that I'm showing you, but this, gorgeous, isn't it? Gorgeous. I'm super proud of it. I've been playing with 3-dimensional shapes and the way that they move and the way that it looks. I love it. So other than that, I do have other books that I've read. I do have other things that I put up. But 9 times out of 10, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Also, Stick Nation. Look at this stick that I found. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, comment. Tell me what book you're looking for or that you want to read, or, you know, tell me about a book that you just read and that you kind of like really want to talk about. I really do want to talk about like my books and stuff that I read, and, you know, I've kind of been struggling on finding a place to kind of do that. So if you guys know, can point me in the direction, you know, like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.